Princess betrayed the prince. Aryan was a warrior of the Chempalichur kingdom. One day, as he was walking down a jungle trail, a group of scoundrels smacked him from behind, hitting his head. Aryan fell down unconscious. The yellow silk pouch clasped to his waist belt fell down on the jungle floor. One man from the group picked up the pouch and tossed it in the chest pocket of his black tunic. Then the scoundrels dragged Aryan's body, flopped it on one of their horses and tied him with rope strings. Unbeknownst to Aryan, they took him to Shaitan Singh, the king of Chakrampur. When Aryan opened his eyes, he found himself slouched on a carpet, shackled in iron chains. In front of him, Shaitan Singh was laughing with an evil growl. He had captured Aryan so he could marry Arini, the princess of Chempalichur. A day earlier, the king of Chempalichur had announced that his daughter would be married to Aryan, one of the most ferocious warrior of their kingdom. Plus, Arini and Aryan loved each other. This made Shaitan Singh jealous. He desired to make Arini his wife so he could also grab the throne of Chempalichur once her father grew old. While Shaitan Singh laughed and mocked the trapped Aryan, Aryan's blood was blazing with rage. But at this time, he was powerless. Shaitan Singh's soldiers dropped him in the river where wild crocodiles awaited to prey upon human blood and flesh. Deep in the dark water, just when a giant crocodile was about to devour Aryan touched a red gemstone pendant that dangled from a chain around his neck. Upon rubbing the gemstone, the pendant gave off a bright flash of light that blinded the crocodile for a second. Suddenly, the crocodile stopped still and didn't move towards Aryan. The magical gem had worked. This gem was gifted to him by Arini's grandmother, who told him that it would protect him from untimely death. So, catching his breath, Aryan swam to the shore and started sprinting towards Chempalichur. Meanwhile, Shaitan Singh mounted on his horse and galloped towards Chempalichur to ask for Arini's hand before any other man could approach the king. Both reached the palace of Chempalichur approximately at the same time. They looked at each other, with fury in their eyes, and marched towards the king. As they crossed the palace's garden and stepped inside the palace court, a thunderbolt struck both of them. Princess Arini was putting a wedding garland around the neck of Hamutta, the prince of Dalamia, one of the richest kingdoms in the world. After the news of Aryan's death, Arini had willingly expressed the desire to marry Hamut owing to his wealth. After getting struck with this thunderbolt, both Aryan and Shaitan Singh stood there shock still, their eyes popped wide open. Aryan had been betrayed and Arini had broken his trust. Thunderbolt means an announcement, event, or idea that is completely unexpected or shocking.